Imagine seamless transitions from milestone to milestone, study to study, with a CRO, CDMO partner whose proactive solutions evolve with your project.
Imagine swift decision-making and reduced handoffs with a dedicated cross-functional program manager as your single point of contact throughout the lifecycle of your project.
Imagine having your investigational brochure updated while your IND-enabling studies are in progress.
Imagine the ability to plan your clinical program while your preclinical safety assessment is ongoing.
Imagine starting first-in-human trials sooner by timing small-scale drug formulations with clinical conduct.
Imagine quick and informed dosing decisions based on timed bioanalytical analysis and safety data.
With Alta Sciences, you don't have to imagine. We anticipate the needs of your project from the get-go. With our unique approach to proactive drug development, we move in unison to help you get drugs to patients who need them faster.